On the Axiom, there are two guides that are screwed into place. Make sure they're square. Then you can use spacer bars, which are offcuts, straight offcuts, used to space your wood out from the knobs on the guides. Nice square or rectangular piece of wood fits nicely. We're just going to put that into place, and then we're going to clamp it down. The first type of clamp is a plunger clamp. It's got a knob on the bottom that'll slide into a track, one of the tracks, on the front or back of the Axiom machine. Just loosen the wheel on the clamp if it's difficult to slide along the track. Get it into place and tighten the wheel down. Then push the plunger up against the wood and clamp it down to lock it. That clamp is really good for square or rectangular pieces. The next clamp we're going to slide in from the back. This clamp is good to use for an uneven side, a live edge side, or anything like that. And I use it with the lower part pressed against the wood so that the clamp is farthest from the wood, and then I just clamp it down. Make sure it's in place, clamp it down. Then check your wood, make sure it's not going anywhere. Now, if you have an irregular piece like this, get yourself a backing board. Some double-edged tape from the dollar store. We have these scissors that do not stick. And I'm just going to flip it over and put a few strips of this double-sided tape on the back to stick it down to my backing board. The double-sided tape is puffy. The puffiness will help with any unevenness in the wood. Here I'm lining the sides up of my uneven board with the sides of the backing board because they're both fairly parallel. So I'm putting it against the fences. The backing board creates a bit of a buffer there, and I'm using these clamps to hold the backing board down so they don't even have to touch my wood. And once it's secure and in place, then I can do my piece.